Okay, welcome back to a very hot and humid day up here in West Grey. Yeah, it's the FIMI X8 Mini, and I've been asked to do a panoramic test because some are saying that the panoramic pictures cut off the sky. So we're going to try that, okay? So we have the satellites, we're ready to go. Let's get it up in the air. There it goes. It should go up to its 4-meter mark. I'm kind of in the shade, I hope. Look around here. Okay, look down. There I am. Compass interference, no kidding. I guess it would be. Let's go, and let's go back a bit. And we'll head out this way. No, we'll head the other way. We'll look at the other way. Okay, and we have 92% in the battery. Let's go up. Let's get up above that tree line pretty soon. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, oh, there we go. So let's go there. So now then, let's switch over. And we'll go to the camera. We'll go to panoramic. Horizontal, vertical, wide. Well, let's try this one first. Okay. The camera automatically takes panoramic photos in the selected mode. After shooting, you need to go to the album to composite. Do not move drone during. Okay. Well, let's just see what happens. 3, 2, 1, boom. Now it's doing its thing. I'm not touching it, just letting it do its thing. I don't know what it's doing. Now this is the normal one, okay? And I've got the EV value down at 3 because this is a very bright day, so that's good. We'll just see what it looks like. Don't know what it's going to be doing, but we have to do a timestamp that all these are going to be correlated together. Now, I noticed that the horizon's not the greatest, so I guess it's finished. Okay. And this is what it looks like after putting it through Microsoft Image Composer. Not too much to look at, but you get the idea. Next, let's go to the video. And what's the panoramic on the video? The camera automatically takes panoramic photos. Oh, okay. Well, I don't want photos, so let's go back into this, and we're going to go panoramic, and we're going to go vertical. See what happens. Okay. So this is the second bunch. Let's go bring that camera down a bit to start. Okay, and we'll aim it. We'll aim it this way out to the lake. Okay, up a bit. There we go. Okay, let's just do that. 3, 2, 1. It goes up. It takes the picture. In the middle, takes the picture. And it's the narrow version. Goes down and takes a picture. And down again and takes a picture. Okay. And when we stitch all that together, you get a narrow view of everything, and we get one big picture, still using Microsoft Image Composer. So let's get out of that, and let's look at the panoramics again here. Now it doesn't, I've got to manipulate the camera up again. Okay, here goes the third one. We're going to go wide. Okay, and again, yeah, okay, you have to compile it yourself. Okay, and we'll take a picture. 3, 2, 1, boom. So what's it going to do? Is this what happens to other people? Some have said it automatically drops down and doesn't take the horizon. Well, this is... I don't know what it's doing, but we should be able to know by the timestamps. It's just sitting up there. It's a warm day. That's it. Oh no, there it goes. And then back to the other side. Click. It should move. One more. Move again. Take another picture. Does it move down again? Oh, it goes over again. Okay. 4 of them. Yeah, oh, it goes down even further. Okay. This is going to be weird because it's kind of a circle. There's 1. There's 2. 11. 11 of 12. And this is 12 of 12. And it's stopped. Okay. And when we stitch it all together, this is the result. What do you think of this one? It's a fairly big picture. Not too bad. Next. Let's go to video. And we're just going to go normal. We'll go HDR because it's a nice day. We're 1080p. Let's bring that up a bit. Okay. And we'll turn around. And we're going to go up. Let's get it up there. Let's get up to about 80 or 90 anyway. We've got 70% in the battery, so we're still good. Okay, we have HDR and we're up at about 90 meters. Heck, let's go to the max. There's no wind really. Okay, that's about max. Let's start that video. Oh, start the video, sorry. Here we go. Okay, we can drop down a bit. And let's go head out there. And we're at 7 meters per second. We've got the landing gear on, so we can't really go over 122 meters high. And a little bit of a breeze. Yeah, we're doing good. A little bit to the left. It's very good in the stick, very good in the stick. Okay, so let's just head out there. And we're about 7 or 8 meters per second. And we're just going to take that imagery and have a look. See what it's like when we come back. We'll go up to about 500 meters. And then we'll come back. Yeah. Let's see where we're at there. 500 or so. Yeah. Maybe it'll do an automatic return pretty soon. We shall see. Here we go. No, that's far enough. Let's do an automatic return home. Let's see what happens to it. I just like using the auto return because then I can concentrate more on the actual picture. And if we come down and get rid of that sky a little bit there, what do we look like? Now, let's see if we can adjust this. There we go. We adjusted the EV value to... No, we didn't. There we go. It didn't take. Why not? we go. It took that time. Kind of weird. So, took a couple of shots to get it to the EV value, but it's doing pretty good. And if I go to the left a bit, I can go to the left, and then when I let go, does it come back? Yeah, it comes back. But we don't have the drunken sailor anymore. Remember those? In the past, we had the drunken sailor every time we went off course a bit. But that seems to have been fixed. So this was all about the panorama. But I just thought I'd get this little video in here. And it should be coming down pretty soon. We're going to stop that video. There it is. It's way up there at 116 meters. Okay, it's coming down. I'm just going to let it come down, see what happens. And there you have it. Some panorama shots. Not too bad. And remember, they're only 8 megapixel pictures, from what I could figure out. You multiply the pixel size and divide by a million. And it's about 8.2, I believe. So not too bad. And a little video. Love this drone. It's got lots of great features. I love the format. I love the way it's made. It's got a reasonably good flight time and reasonable range. It's not super range, but it's reasonable for around here. So, panoramic shots. Not too bad. Pretty good. At least it wasn't all distorted and out of shape and out of whack. So, yeah, not too bad. And a little video. Always love taking little videos. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care, get some fresh air, and look after each other. Okay, bye now.